Hi, in this lesson we'll talk about Linux terminal a little bit. So what is Linux terminal? Basically, we can call Linux terminal as Linux shell too. Linux terminal or Linux shell is a program that receives commands from the user and gives it to the operating system to process. Linux shells is its main part. In some distributions, the terminal comes with graphical user interface, but basically Linux has command line interface. There are some different ways to open the terminal. The first way, you can press Alt F1 to go terminal directly, or you can go inside of search bar and type in terminal, will take you to the terminal without clicking these activities. The second way is alternative of the first one, so you can go to activities and directly go to open terminal, or you can search terminal in a search bar like you did in a previous first way. The third way, you can press Alt F2 and you can type GNOME terminal inside of box and press enter. It will take you to terminal again. So before creating custom shortcut, let's check if Ctrl Alt uppercase T works. So let's press that command. Yes, it works now. So how we did it? As a first way, to create that shortcut, you can go settings, device, keyboard, and you can go all over down. As you see, we set custom shortcuts. Type in terminal as Ctrl Alt T. Let's remove it and let's pretend we don't have it, and we're going to create again. Type in terminal, GNOME terminal command, the setting shortcut, and on our keyboard we're pressing Ctrl Alt T and clicking add. Here it is. So let's press again. It will take us to terminal. So let's check this terminal or shell a real quick. What specification does this terminal have? We have here file, new tab. When we click on new tab, it's going to open new tab next to our current one. When we click new window, it's completely open as new windows. We can make a lot of windows here, like clicking new window. See a lot of windows here. So we can close tab or close window. Edit, we can copy commands, we can paste commands as we copy it. We can select all commands. When we go to preferences, there are a bunch of specifications we can use, like initial terminal size, columns, rows, or we can change the color of our terminal. And we button, we can zoom in or zoom out our letters. Like when we're doing zoom in, it's bringing us the letters in a higher size, or when we click on zoom out, it's going back. Or if we want a normal size, like when we start our terminal, default size of our terminal, if we want this, we can just click normal size instead of clicking zoom in or zoom out. We have search, we can find our commands. We have terminal like set a title, character encoding, and tons of specifications, so on. So I guess this is enough, and this is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.